Grammy.
It's stuck. What are you going to do? What do you say, Papa? Who got you this, Degas?
Huh?
Who got you the present?
Dad, you got presents.
Oh, I did. I got presents tonight, but who got you that?
Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa Claus. Could Santa Claus live in Tennessee?
No.
No, where's he live?
A pole.
At the North Pole?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. So who is that?
Huh?
Who is that?
Percy.
Aww.
I have another choo-choo for this.
Oh, we have to get another choo-choo?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I can't find it. I leave it up there. I because it. I can't find it.
Where do you think it could be?
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
Look.
Way up there?
Uh-huh.
Way up there?
Uh-huh.
Oh my
I
goodness.
can get up there. I can jump.
You can't jump?
Nope.
So what did you do this weekend?
And not?
Did you go to the zoo?
No.
Did you see elephants?
Nope.
No, not at all.
No. I had big dark.
It was dark?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness.
I can't go outside. I go zoo.
Okay.
I can't go outside.
Why?
I have shoes.
Oh, because you don't have shoes? Well, it could be because it's also 10 o'clock at night.
Do like this.
Okay, let's show...
No.
Well, no, show Grammy. Show Grammy how it works. So how do you do it?
Like this.
Okay. What's the other button? Now what is this? What is the handle? Oh, and it makes it go?
Right.
Oh, and backwards?
And right and left.
And right and left?
Mm-hmm.
So am I all done? Okay, okay, say goodnight, Grammy.
Good night, Grammy.
I love you, Grammy.
I love you, Grammy.
Look into the camera and blow besitos.